So the smell of the plastic brings joy to me. Assalamualaikum, guten Tag, was ist los? Jeder Scheiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Und heute wir haben hier eine Kunststoffmodell auf dem Bandai, and this is none other than the Gundam Narrative Furka, or the version Katoki. So for the master grade fans such as me, because I really like master grade models and I don't like high grade models from Gundam series, this is much awaited. And honestly, Bandai is not that producing so much master grade, except for the rare release and the alternative version and the P Bandai, which looks so junky to me and looks redundant. To be honest, Bandai is producing redundant kits nowadays, and there are so much kits deserving to have master grade version for me, but it's business, so it depends on the needs and wants of the collectors. So anyway, at least there's a new master grade release for this year 2024, and this is none other than, again, the narrative Gundam version Katoki, which came from the manga series Gundam Unicorn Narrative. And honestly, I think a lot about this kit, whether if I should buy it or not, because I do have the Gundam Unicorn and the Unicorn Banshee, and to be honest, it doesn't appeal much to me. Those two kits doesn't appeal much to me. I much like the new Gundam and the high new Gundam version, but I still, since I am a master grade collector, I still bought this kit for a lower price of 2,680 pesos in the Philippines, because most sellers sell this kit at an overpriced condition, like 4,000 and above. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's this Gundam narrative is all about. Los Gits Panginbira. Ifalik Habibi, we have here a nice box, which is the traditional design of the narrative or the Verka boxes. So this is the narrative Gundam. We can see here the similarity. It's similar with the Gundam Unicorn, because as per the story goes, this is the prototype for the Unicorn Gundam. So this is piloted by Jonah Bashta, I think, or yep, if I'm not mistaken, it's Jonah Bashta. And there it has the same silhouette for the Unicorn Gundam Destroy mode with by the Crybaby Bunny Girlings. And we have this Bandai logo here, blue Bandai logo, and you can see here the date, which date is this release, which is 2024, or the year it was released. So this is the latest kit that Bandai offered to us this year. And there we have on the side of the box the rifles, the beam sabers, the shield. So these are the accessories for the kit. And there's this fictional stat for this kit, which is, we will always see in the version Katoki boxes here. There we can see the front view, the rear view, the front view with the C-Packs psychoframes and without the psychoframes attached. And there we have the head here, which looks so nice. It looks like the new Gundam. And there we have the pink psychoframes there, and then the booster pack, the backpack, and we have here two types of attachment here. I think this is the non-activated psycho frame, and then there's this activated psycho frame, and there we have the core fighter inside. The other side of the box, we can see the core fighter, the very nice looking core fighter. So it looks more high-tech than the core fighter of RX-78. And this core fighter here can transform to form the torso of the kit. So it will be the core block. And there we have Japanese explanations there. And now it's very nice that there is this English translation for the Japanese text. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, and the instruction manual looks the same with the Verka kits, where we can see the side view pose of the kit, and as I noticed, the manual is a bit thicker. So we have here the front view looks of the kit, and there we have the pink psycho frame activated, and there's this gray psycho frame non-activated, I think. So yes, so this is the unactivated state. So this kit will have so much spare plastic, which is very inconvenient for me, because I don't know where to put those extra plastics that I have. Maybe I will throw it or sell it. If you want to buy excess plastic for me, you can message me directly in my Facebook page. There we have the narrative Gundam index, so it's very convenient nowadays. So I can see that the Bandai is having a page like this, which, to be honest, it looks like what I saw in the Supernova manuals, where the Supernova manuals or the in-era Supernova manuals, they have this index such like this, but of course Bandai has colored printout for it. And we can see the unactivated state and the activated state psycho frame. Okay, and this is bullshit. We have here so much parts here, excess parts for me. We'll have an excess parts. So the parts here are, or the printout here is black and white. Traditional Bandai way of printing things for their manuals. And there we have the color guidelines in case you want to paint, or these are the placement for the decal sheets, which I would not use. So let's review the parts or the packs first. So we have here white packs here, and beam saber effect parts. We have there the stickers for the camera lenses, foil stickers. So we have here blue, dark blue parts, blue parts, yellow parts, and clear parts for the armor pieces. So we have here the shield parts, and we got gray parts here, light gray parts, and we got some gray parts for the inner frames. We also have here white parts for the armor pieces, gray parts for the shield, details, inside details. The hands, we have here closed hands there, and we got some what do you call this? We have this articulated hand sets there, which is very nice. The reason I bought kits like this because of their articulated fingers, because I really like kits with articulated hands and fingers. So we got black inner frame parts here. So there we got some pink parts here, clear pink parts for the psycho frame, and fortunately there's this dislodge piece there, maybe due to the shipping process. And we got some light gray parts here for this is the unactivated inner frame, which is very bullshit to me. I wish Bandai didn't include this, because it would be another addition for my extra plastic pieces. And there we got red parts here for the core block. And finally, we got the gray inner frame parts here. So I want to smell the scent of the newly released Bandai. And the smell of the plastic is so addicting. Smell of success. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit, and let's start with this gray unactivated psycho frame here. And as you can notice, I still put it inside the plastic because I don't intend to use this unactivated state. And but by the way, this is a runner A and runner B ABS plastic for the unactivated state, and most parts that are here are not to be used, and this is just a spare. Those are spares, and for me, a waste of plastic. Anyway, we have here runner K for the black inner frame parts, and these are for the guns and for the booster packs here. We got this activated psycho frames here, runner C, and this is made out of ABS clear pink plastic. This is the what do you call this, reflectorized or neon pink, clear pink plastic. So it's very nice. And if I am to compare it with the Unicorn Gundam, this is much more neon in nature. So there's this sludge part already, which is caused by the shipping process. We got some light gray parts here, the M1. We got some red parts here for the core block, which is the runner N. We got gray parts here for the inner frame, and this is runner I. And we got two of these, so we got two runner I here. We got beam saber effect parts, which is clear pink. We got stickers for the eyes. These are the foil stickers, and this is not the ordinary. It doesn't look foil stickers from the previous Gundams, and this is like a thick plastic sticker. And as you can see, there is design. There are designs there, white detailings there, which is very elegant. And there we have runner M2 for the light gray colored plastic. For the white colored plastic, we got this runner E, and we got a tall pilot figure of John Bashta. So this is my first time to see a tall action figure here, or pilot figure. And we got some gray runner here for the runner K, runner G, two runner G for the white armor pieces, and we got runner H for the gray parts and inner details of the shield. We got two runner L here, two sets of runner L for the armor pieces, and we got this white colored plastic for the armor pieces for runner F, and there's this part here about to be dislodged, and this multicolored runner D for the yellow parts and dark blue parts, and clear parts for the core block. We got water slide decals here, and yep, the boring looking water slide vehicles. And that's it for the unboxing of this narrative Gundam C-Pax version Katoki, released by Bandai 2024. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, masalama, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, paalam sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. Dankeschön, vielen Dank, shukran jazilan, maraming salamat po. Goodbye.